Welcome to MassPay. In this video, we are going to go through the account activation process. Now, as you can see on my screen, I have two different communications. On the left, I have an email, and on the right, I have a text message. When your account is created, you will receive both of these. You can choose whichever one is best if you're on your phone, the text message if you're on your computer, the email, whichever you like. To get started, we're going to click on the Activate My Account. Now I've done this already, so I'm going to pull open this window, and you will see it takes you to a login page. The first thing I'm going to do is accept all cookies. Second thing I'm going to do is add in my date of birth, which is year, month, date. Then I am going to enter in a password that meets these criteria. Now I already have one that I created and I've saved it for this demonstration. At this point, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click Save, and this is going to create my account. Now, you'll notice here that it says it is going to send a text message to you to confirm the account. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter that met right here, and I am going to confirm. Now, as I go through this confirmation process, you'll see now that I am in my account. That's it. My MassPay account is set up. I have received my funds and I am fully operational. In subsequent videos, we will walk through the fund transfer processes and other capabilities of the portal. Thank you for joining us.